Hi everybody, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We're at the very tip of the Veganuary is fork iceberg. So we're gonna do a little dessert today because we've been doing so many dinner type recipes. Let's do something that's delicious that everybody can enjoy for dessert. This is actually a Christmas cookie that we like so much that we like to eat it year round. Yes, my dog is very thirsty and it's not even Thursday.
They always start drinking right when we start filming.
You know what? At least they're keeping hydrated.
True.
That's very important. All right, so I'm sure you guys are familiar with chocolate crackles, but have you made them gluten-free vegan? I have this Christmas and they were very delicious and we ate them all up and now I'd like to have some more. So this recipe is very few ingredients. It is very simple and I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing that we're going to do is gel up our vegan egg here, which is ground flax. And don't you worry about a thing because all of the ingredients, the listing and their amounts and a crude description of what I'm doing will be in the info box below. So let's begin. We're adding, some oat milk because I am not only vegan gluten-free, I am nut-free as well. Sucks for me, right? But we make it work and we make it work deliciously. So this is a winner. You wouldn't know that it's vegan, gluten-free, nut-free. While that is doing its thing, which takes a couple minutes, we're going to be adding the oil to our sugar. So I've got a beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, this stuff is great. It's butter flavored coconut oil. And this is probably what they use when they make the popcorn at the movie theater, the flavoring. So you're probably pretty familiar with it if you ever go to the movies. All right, so we had to bust into that. No biggie. We're also going to be adding 1/3 cup of this to the sugar. Oh, it looks so good already. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because the butter smell
Smells like the
coming off of
movies.
that, right? Oh, let's go see the movies. It's Golden Globes Day too.
Yeah.
When we're filming this. So we're going to give this a good mix, but first we're going to give the dry ingredient. Oh no, we can do this. I didn't want to have to pull out another whisk, but this is called creaming your butter and sugar. And when it's not actually butter, it's really quick because it's already liquid. So we're also going to add our vanilla in at this time. Exactly 1 teaspoon. It's amazing how that happens every time. All right, so
You're hilarious.
oh, thanks. I think. All right, that's done. Wow, that was easy. I remember back in the old days, I used to hurt my arm when I cooked with my dad. He'd be like, "You're a lightweight. Get out of here." Check it out, Dad. All right, so in this bowl we have the dry ingredients. So we have some cacao powder. We have a pinch of salt, we have some baking powder, and we have some gluten-free flour. Today I'm using the Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 baking flour, so that's pretty much my favorite. I really like that one. We're just gonna pre-combine these because you don't want any white spots in these cookies. You want them all to be deliciously chocolatey brown because it's not going to be very pretty to have a white spot in the middle of the cookie. On the outside, yes, but not in the middle. This also helps to distribute the baking powder so that you don't get like dead spots in your cookies where it didn't rise right. Yes, I probably could have chose a bigger bowl to do this in.
You always like to pick like the smallest bowl possible to mix things.
Yeah. Well, now that I got the big sink, I can go with the big bowl.
Yeah.
But I guess I just haven't made the transfer yet. Okay, that looks pretty good. So at this point, we're going to add in our egg to the butter sugar mixture and give that a stir. Okay, we're mixing. All right, so now we're ready to put the dry into the wet. How simple is this, right?
Mm-hmm.
It goes together so quickly. Yes, I know there's a few spots I missed there, but Hopefully I'll take care of it. So we're obviously going to stir this until it's well combined. And the thing about using the coconut oil or oil in general is this is going to be pretty loosey-goosey. So we're probably going to need to pop this into the fridge for a few minutes before we're ready to bake, because you're not going to put, liquid out on the thing and on the cookie sheet. You're going to have it a little bit firm. So let's get this mixed up and see what we're working with. We're back. So I just popped this into the fridge for like 10 minutes, honestly.
It's looking good now.
It's nice and firm, and not too firm though that you're going to be breaking your hand trying to get the balls out of this. But I like to use a cookie scoop or a scoop because I like to have all of my cookies look uniform and the same size, and and then they cook better too. So you just take a ball. Normally at Christmas time I would roll these in powdered sugar, but I think it looks more wintry if you just do a little bit of granulated sugar.
Wow.
Right? You might want to just flatten it out slightly too, since this is gluten-free. It's probably not going to spread as much as a regular flour would. But I'm going to fill up my whole cookie sheet, obviously. I'm not just going to bake one at a time.
Imagine. Okay, it's ready for the oven.
Yeah. No. Thank you, no. Gonna fill it all up, bake it at 350 for 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna check it after 9 and see if it needs to go a little bit longer. The thing about these cookies is you don't want to overcook it. So if it still looks like it's a little bit underdone, it's okay, because it's still gonna continue to cook when it comes out of the oven.
And these are so good, like ooey gooey.
They're so good. And on ice, with ice cream or something, if you put a couple of these in a bowl and then scoop a little vegan ice cream on the top, double chef's kiss. Oh boy, those look amazing. Ooh. They were in the, full disclosure, in the oven for 12 minutes.
These look beautiful.
They didn't crackle very much.
Ooh, they smell super chocolatey.
That's because they are.
Mm-hmm. What's up?
Hashtag towel time.
I'm gonna have like half of one because it is pre-dinner.
Yes.
But oh my god, ooey gooey. Yes, I love a soft baked cookie.
Who doesn't?
Mm-hmm.
How's the granulated sugar on the outside?
That might even be better than the first batch.
Think?
Yeah.
You think it's better than the powdered sugar? I think the powdered sugar is so messy.
The powdered sugar, my thing with that is it's good at first, but then when it sits for a little bit, it gets all like
greasy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The granulated in this is fantastic.
Oh, nice.
That is really good.
Well, there you have it.
Ooh.
The perfect cookie. And the
best... I lied. I'm having the whole thing. Ah!
The best thing about it is that being gluten-free, it doesn't taste gluten-free.
No, it doesn't.
So you wouldn't know that that was gluten-free.
Gluten-free, nut-free, vegan.
Yeah, Veganuary is fork, if you will. All right.
So let us know if you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. Why not? And hit the bell if you want to see exactly when we upload our videos.
Especially my husband. If you give it an extra like if you want to see more of my husband, and I know you guys do.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun with that video. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying Veganuary so far, and we'll see you tomorrow. So until then, much love.